Hello student, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. Today we are going to learn about the construction of a right angled triangle. 7th class exercise 4th first problem. See here, he has given a right angle, hypotenuse and one side of the triangle. So with the given three measurements we have to construct a right angled triangle. See here what he has given. Construct a right angled triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 8 centimeters, angle B is equal to 90 degrees and AC is equal to 10 centimeters. So using these three measurements we have to construct a right angled triangle. So see student, how can we construct? The given measurements are AB is equal to 8 centimeters, angle B equal to 90 degrees, AC equal to 10 centimeters. So first we have to draw a line segment of length 8 centimeters. For that take the scale and first place the pencil at the 0 point of the scale and draw the line segment up to 8 on the scale. So see here, since AB is equal to 8 centimeters, first we have to draw 8 centimeters. So place the 0 value and draw the line segment up to 8 on the scale. So now identify the end points of the line segment. So one end point, let it is one end point is capital A and the other end point is capital B. So here the length of the line segment AB is how much? 8 centimeters. So you have to write here the length of the line segment AB is equal to 8 centimeters. So next what he has given, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So for that you have to take protractor and place the midpoint of the protractor on the point B and the zero line of the protractor coincides should the line segment AB. So like that you have to place the protractor. So from the line segment, you have to count 90 degrees. So like this 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So here it is 90 degrees. So see here this is 90 degrees. You have to identify the 90 degrees. So see here, yes, that is the point of 90 degrees. So now you have to draw a ray by passing through the point B and the 90 degrees point where we have identified. Passing through that point we have to draw a ray BX. So here there is no limit to draw the ray. So we can draw as our convenient. So this is what it is, ray BX. So identify X, this is BX. So now write the angle at B. So here it is angle at the B is a right angle. So that symbol represents right angle. So here angle B is how much? 90 degrees. So we have to write 90 degrees. So next AC is equal to 10 centimeters he has given. So with the help of compass, so take the compass and measure the radius between the two hands of the compass must be equal to 10 centimeters. So place one hand of the compass at the 0 and the other hand at 10. So by taking the radius 10 centimeters and with the center A we have to draw an arc. So see student, how can we draw the arc? So here with A as a center with the 10 centimeters radius we have to draw an arc. So now identify the point of intersection of arc and the ray. This is the point of intersection and name it is as C. So now join the points A, C with the help of the scale. So join the points. So now we have the required triangle, right angle triangle ABC. So see here, this is AB, and this is the side BC of right angle triangle. These two sides AB and BC are the perpendicular sides of the right angle triangle, and the side AC is the longest side. It is known as hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. So now right angled triangle ABC is formed. So to visible very clearly, I am filling with a color. So now we can understand very easily the area of the right angled triangle ABC. So see student, I am filling with a color. Yes, now it is very clear. So the shaded region represents the area of the right angled triangle ABC. So student, like this we can construct a right angled triangle with a given right angle, hypotenuse and one adjacent side. So here we have constructed a right angle triangle ABC with the given 3 measurements. So next, now we have to write the steps of construction. So see student, how can we write the steps of construction? So first step, what we have done, drawn a line segment AB is equal to 8 centimeters. This is the first step. Next, second one, drawn a ray BX such that angle ABX is equal to 90 degrees. So next, third step, what it is, point A as center with radius 10 centimeters, drawn an arc which intersects the ray at the point C. So this is our third step. So next, fourth one, join the points A comma C. Join the points A comma C. So next, fifth one, formed the required right angled triangle ABC. Formed the required right angled triangle ABC. So these are the steps of construction student. So student, like this we can construct. That's all today's class student. We will meet in the next class with another problem. So that's all today's class.